In this video, we will learn how to install Anaconda software for Python programming. So first, we will search here the official site of Anaconda. We will write here Anaconda. So Anaconda will show here. We will click first. There's a link of download Anaconda distribution, and second one it is the official site of Anaconda software, Anaconda Advanced AI with open source. We will click here. When we will click here, you will see here is a trusted foundation for enterprise AI. At the top, you will see there is a free download. We will click here on the free download. When we will click on the free download, you will see get started with the Anaconda distribution. On the right side, you can see that here is a get started. We will click on the get started. If I am already signed in, then it's okay. If I am not signed in, definitely you will enter your email address and then enter. Or you can also install by using existing Gmail ID, whatever you have. So after that, you will see at the left side there is a window. On the center is the Mac, and the right side Linux. So window, Mac, and Linux. You will see if you want to install in a window. Definitely you will go down and contact distributions, and here you can see there is a graphical installer. When I will click on the Windows 64-bit graphical installer, I will click and it will start downloading. You can see here it is going to download, but I have already downloaded. It is a big file. It is almost 1.1 GB file. When you have to complete this download complete file, then you will open Anaconda setup. So you will right click on the Anaconda and open it, then it will start installing in your system. So now I will tell you how and what steps are important for you to install Anaconda software in your laptop, in your PC. So you will go on the next. After the next, you will agree the license agreement. I agree. Then you will click on the all users, right? Required admin privileges. Click on the next. And after the next, you can select your location by default. I am using C location. So then I will click on the next. When I will click on the next, then I will create on the create shortcut and also register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.13. So I will click on the register, right? And then I will click on the install because I have already installed. So that's why I will not go on the further installation. So after the installation, you will see how it's work. Definitely, I will go there and I will tell you how to work on the Anaconda software. After the installation, you can go on the search, and in the search, you will write Anaconda prompt. So on the top, you will see Anaconda prompt here. And after that, when you will click on the Anaconda prompt, you will click here. This black screen will appear in front of you. In this prompt, Jupyter Notebook. And you will try to install whole library by using Anaconda prompt. After the successful completion and installation of Jupyter library, you will see this is your basic window which will open, and how to use this window. Definitely I will tell you how to work on this window. So how to create new folder and how to create new file. So this is all about how to install download and install Anaconda software in your system. Thank you very much.